Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer meetings from Google Calendar into Salesforce step by step clearly. Open your Google Calendar in your web browser. Locate the meeting you want to transfer to Salesforce. Click on the meeting to open the details. In the meeting details, look for the option to copy the meeting link. Highlight and right-click to copy the link. Now, open your Salesforce account in a new tab. Navigate to the Activities tab on the Salesforce dashboard. Click on Log a Meeting or select New Event depending on your interface. In the Event Creation window, enter a descriptive title for the meeting. Paste the copied meeting link into the description or notes section. Set the correct date and time for the meeting in Salesforce. Add any relevant attendees by typing their names in the participant field. Ensure you select the correct time zone for the meeting. If applicable, attach any related files or documents. Review all the information entered for accuracy. Click the Save button to finalize the meeting transfer. Congratulations, your meeting is now transferred from Google Calendar to Salesforce. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.